Solar power to a power station charging. The battery ran dry of the power station. It couldn't complete the charge of the unit. Even though it was still plugged in, it wasn't getting enough juice. So that's going to take at least a couple of days again to recharge during the summertime. I don't get the system. But plugged it into the AC. It just about finished up. If it had 5 bars on here, it's 4.5 bars. The last one was orange. It shows on the monitor fully charged, but the battery itself, it shows 4.5. So we're good to go. Got a nice bike ride in. And if I relax, pedal assist, and don't abuse it, it's going to get a nice amount of mileage. How many, I don't know. Right now I'm like 11 miles from the house. I did. I'm probably put another mile on it, so I have like 12 or 13 miles on it. Not that much. See how far I go along in the summertime and what I have in the fall of the mileage of the unit. With the scooter I have by EcoRoad, it doesn't have an odometer. It won't tell you. But the scooter I have with the GoTrax has an odometer, and I did over 200 plus miles on that, I believe. And I'm pretty happy with it. I like the GoTrax because it's taller, it's longer, more comfortable. If it had a seat, oh, I'll be comfortable on it. Now, I can go to the amusement park and back, but I'd probably be like, whew, pushing it on fumes. On the bicycle, oh man, I made it there. I made it all the way to the end. I made it a little bit this way, and I made it home. Half the amount of battery left on the unit. And I still could go probably all the way down there to that bridge over there and back home. Not a problem, no matter what I do, giving it gas and whatnot. So I am pretty happy, very impressed from a bicycle from LMDEX, LMDEX, Amazon bike that you're not going to find online underneath this name at all, but only at Amazon. It has to go by another name, another company and all. It is a nice design bike. It's got a little shorter handlebar than my, Cannondale, which I like because my hands are not out here like so. They're out comfortable the way they're supposed to be. So if these handlebars go on my Cannondale, which they should, I would switch them out or get one of these that's already pre-cut. And the reason for that is I could go through my door without a headache. Man, I'm getting on out of here. I don't think I'm going to get you with the bike ride, but I see some parasailing down the road. So maybe I'll hop on the bike and go down and see the parasailing and see what it looks like from that angle. So I'm pedaling along with the assist, and you gotta be a little careful because it gives power at times up to 15 miles per hour. So you gotta change your gears to match the assist sometimes, right? So I'm pretty near where the parasails are at. About another couple of minutes, we'll see it. If you look right ahead in front of me in the sky, pop-up's got to get off, man. And I'll point up to the sky just a little bit. Look at that plane coming. Oh man, that is a wonderful shot. I just wish I had a better field of view. We're gonna go faster than the traffic. We're gonna see how fast we can climb the hill as well. Watch the white truck over there. I'm 19 miles per hour. And I'm climbing with no issues at all. I could have gotten the jet skis if I was up here about a second sooner. It's a wonderful shot. Oh man, that scooter just whizzed right by me. We could go catch up. But I'm gonna put you away and wrap this review up.